With the shortage of police on the streets and neighbourhoods, more and more people are carrying out citizen's arrest or attempted to make a citizen's arrest. Some people get it legally right and some don't. This is a community legal education presentation. My name's Nasir Hafizi, I'm a solicitor, and here's a quick guide to section 24A of PACE when you can make a lawful citizen's arrest. Your citizen's arrest must meet the following 4 legal tests. Test 1. The first test is your citizen's arrest must fall into one of 4 situations in section 24A of PACE. They are: Situation 1. The person is in the act of committing an offence, like seeing someone committing a theft of a sat-nav from a car. Situation 2. You suspect the person of being in the act of committing an offence, like seeing someone grab a phone from someone and thinking it is being robbed. Situation 3. The person has committed an offence, like arresting a burglar taking the TV out of a house. And situation 4. You suspect the person has committed an offence, like someone walking out of a property where the alarm is going off with a TV in their hand and you think they have burgled a house. Test 2. The second test is your citizen's arrest is lawful if it concerns serious offences which can be tried in a Crown Court, that is, an indictable or either way offences. Serious offences include burglary, robbery and dangerous driving. Offences like careless driving, speeding and common assault can only be dealt with at the lower magistrates court and therefore don't qualify for a citizen's arrest. Test 3. The third test, you can only carry out a citizen's arrest if it's necessary. Necessary means to prevent the person in question A. Causing physical injury to himself or any other person. B. Suffering physical injury. C. Causing loss of or damage to property. Or D. Making off before a constable can assume responsibility for him. So for example, subject to the other tests, you can carry out a citizen's arrest on a shoplifter if they have taken chocolate box and hidden it in their jacket and attempted to walk out without paying to prevent loss of property. Test 4. And finally, the fourth test. You can only carry out a citizen's arrest if there is no police officer available to carry out the arrest. So here's a quick rundown of what makes a lawful citizen's arrest. 1. Your citizen's arrest must fall into one of the 4 situations. 2. The offence is an indictable offence, that is serious to qualify for citizen's arrest. 3. Your citizen's arrest is necessary. And 4. There is no police officer available to carry out the arrest. Remember, you may use such force as is reasonable in the circumstances in the prevention of crime or in the effecting or assisting in the lawful arrest of offenders, suspected offenders or of persons unlawfully at large. You also need to inform the individual that they are under a citizen's arrest as soon as practicable. And remember, if your citizen's arrest is not lawful, then you could be arrested and be criminally liable for false imprisonment, kidnap and assault among other offences. Therefore, remember, only carry out a citizen's arrest if it meets the 4 legal tests and of course if it's safe to do so. And remember too, it may be best to leave carrying out an arrest to the professionals, that is, the police. And finally, stay safe. Thank you for watching. Please remember to speak to a solicitor if you need legal advice. Please subscribe to Community Legal Education so you can be the first to watch these short legal video explainers, and may the justice be with you.